in the beginning, just I speak in Japanese. 本日は、この特に水災害の、国際セミナーを、開催することができて非常に、嬉しく思っております。皆様、この暑い中お越しいただきまして大変ありがとうございました。So, I'm going to take just 10 minutes before starting the quite exciting and interesting topics to be shared today. So I would like to introduce the overall view of our project, national project called SIP project. I'm a PI of the project for the disaster, here is the name, the development of a resilient smart network system against natural disasters. This is the title of our project, which is one of the 14 SIP projects. I'm PI, and I'm right now the Vice Director of Earthquake Research Institute of the University of Tokyo. So we would like to look back the history of SIP. SIP started in 2014 with 11 selected topics. It's widely distributed, not only the natural disaster issue, but also you can see the design and manufacturing. Oh, it's this. Oh, I'm sorry. This one? Oh, yeah, here. Here you go. Oops. It doesn't work. Just 30 minutes ago, it worked. But right now, no. Okay, here you go. Then you see the power electronics, some very widely selected. These topics are directly selected by the Cabinet Office. Then you see the infrastructure. The management of infrastructure was also selected for the first term. Then second term started in 2018. Again, the project for the natural disaster was selected as one of the 12 projects, named the National Resilience Project. Then unfortunately, infrastructure project was not selected for this term. Then our third phase had started in 2023. We are now in the third year, just mid-term of the mid-year of the third term. Then this time, Cabinet Office selected 14 projects. Then I would like to introduce the rough budget size of the SIP project. In total, about $250 million per year. This value was calculated with $1 is equal to 100 yen. So many years ago. Then right now, it's much more. So that means the total amount in dollar is much less right now. Then the $24 million for 1 year is coming to our project. It's the second largest budget size for the third term. You see the infrastructure comes back again for the third term. Material, smart energy system, maritime securities, other 13 projects were also selected. Then I believe only our natural disaster issue is the only project who had been selected for all terms. Then gradually, of course, we improved our technologies and we developed new technologies. Then right now we are here. The first term, we tried to develop the interministerial network. As you may be able to imagine so easily, it's quite difficult to collaborate between different ministries as other countries. So for the first year, we developed the network system to share the information directly and online. Then the second term, we expanded this system to the local government. Then the local government system was connected to this national network to share the information directly. For helping the mayors and the governors to make the decision during the natural disasters. Then for the third term, we are going to expand again to connect the information with private farms and people, so that we need to save the lives after the natural disasters. Then this map shows the recent natural disasters. Unfortunately, in Japan, we have all kinds of natural disasters in such a small islands. Then you may remember that January 1st on 2024, the strong earthquake hit the northern part, not northern part, the middle part, so here, right here. The earthquake hit this area and many people were killed and tsunami happened, but fortunately nobody was killed due to tsunami this time. Then unfortunately just, I guess 6 months later, or 6 months later, a heavy rain hit the same area. Then the two persons who were supervising the recovery construction were killed due to landslide, according to the heavy rain. So as such, the multi-disaster issue has already occurred in Japan. We need to develop the system to manage not only for the flood, not only for the heavy rain, but also the earthquake, tsunami, all should put together. Different disasters can happen consequently or even at the same time. That's our motivation to continue to continue and proceed our project. Then this is the idea of our project. Of course, the disaster happened in the real world, but immediately all data will be transferred to the cyberspace. So digitized, all information will be digitized right after the earthquake or flood or typhoon due to the natural disasters. Then in the cyberspace, we can conduct somehow the numerical simulations with a high performance computing system and AI. Then with this calculation, right after the natural disaster, we can predict some near future events. For example, typhoon will go which way, or tsunami will hit what area, and so on. Then this kind of information will be somehow translated to support the decision makers, then comes back to the real space. This is 10 minutes has passed. This is the idea. So I would like to talk only this slide lastly. We have the 5 subgroups to achieve our goal set for the third term. Then the group sub-A group is to detect the conditions and the situation. So right after the disaster, we use satellite system, sensors, everything to get the information. Subgroup B is to support the people to evacuate. How we can effectively inform the people to evacuate to right way. That's very challenging. Then still some people are killed because they go to the coastline to see the tsunami. It sounds stupid, but sometimes people do. So we are going to tackle with such a very challenging issue. The subgroup C is also another challenging team to develop the new system to share the information among the self-defense agency, police group, and the firefighters. They are quite, how can I say, they are not wanting to share the information. They are quite reluctant, but they need to work right after the disaster. They know the needs. So this time, this could be the first time, but we are working together with different groups. Then group D, this is the group for today's seminar. So I don't need to introduce, but group D is to manage the water system like river, dam, and so on. So we are tackling on this issue to make the most effective and sufficient the water controlling and management system. Then group E is a digital twin group to develop the cyberspace and to share the information in the cyberspace. This is the structure of our project. Then here you can see some faces who is in charge of each group. This side is a management side, and the other side is a player's side. So you can see some faces you may know very well. So today, our international seminar is going to start. I hope you all enjoy today's seminar, and please exchange the valuable information. Thank you very much.
Professor Kusunoki, thank you very much for your inspiring words.